Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Outlook on your PC or laptop. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you haven't got it pre-installed, okay, by the manufacturer of your computer, well, you can at least try it. Okay, just find Outlook right here, and as you can see, I already have it. I didn't download this one. Outlook app. This is the new version, and this is the classic version. But if you don't have this one, okay, you can just go ahead over to your Microsoft Store, just like so. Click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, it will ask you to log in if this is your first time. Okay, and once logged in, gotta use the search bar right here and type down Outlook. Okay, hit on enter, wait for it to load, and you will have it right here. So just basically click on it, click on get or install right here. Click on it, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you'll have the open button. So all you got to do is just click on open and just log in with your Outlook or Microsoft account or even Gmail. All right, and that is how you download and install Outlook on PC or laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.